Hi ladies, today I'll be doing a tutorial on the yellow angry bird. Hope you like it. Enjoy! Firstly, apply your favorite nail polish after applying the top coat. As for me, I had chosen Apline Snow by OPI for the background. Once the nail polish is set, use Happy Go Lucky by Channel Glaze for the body of the yellow angry bird. For application, draw a semicircle at the tip of the nails and wait for it to dry. Next, using the dotting tool with the white acrylic paint, create 2 white dots for the eyes. While waiting for it to set, we are going to create the mouth, eyebrow, and the hair of the yellow angry bird, and once the white portion of the eyes is set, use the dotting tool to create 2 pupils. Last but not least, apply the top coat and you are done with your yellow angry bird nail design. Hope you like it. Good luck!